Hey guys, it's Kim here with Verily Fiber Fun. Thanks for joining me on this very interesting experimental spin. The experiment is how fast can I spin this 4 ounces of BFL combed top? For those of you that don't know, BFL stands for Blue Faced Leicester, and these sheep are considered a long wool breed, but they are the softest long wool you'll find. I love BFL. It is my absolute favorite fiber in the whole wide world. My favorite breed of sheep to spin into yarn. And it is very easy to spin. And this fiber is not horribly compressed or anything like that. So I knew this would be a good candidate for this experiment. Now I am spinning a 3-ply, so 3 different singles and then plying. And I'm timing the amount of time it takes to spin each bobbin. When I stop spinning for a little while, I stop the clock and then I restart it or continue it when I pick it back up. So this was spinning time only, not the full amount of time it took me to do the project from beginning to end. And honestly, this part you're watching right now is the slowest part. I do speed up significantly as I go along, but outside trying to spin in the summer heat, I was my hands were sweaty and it was starting to felt the fiber a little bit, so I was fighting my own hands. But once I went back inside, that was a whole lot better. Before I forget, as I already forgot, before I forget again, if you are new to my channel, welcome, and if you are a returning viewer, welcome back. If you haven't already, please do hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss new videos as they come out. And as always, leave your comments, questions, and suggestions in the comment section below. Do you ever challenge yourself with a ridiculous challenge like, how long is this particular project going to take? How quickly can I do it? I'm ridiculous. You know that? I'm just crazy. But hey, we're in this crazy world together. We may as well have fun. So, I will let you guys watch this probably with some music. I don't know if I'm going to pop in and talk anymore. I am pretty amazed at how quickly the third bobbin spins up, but it was slightly less fiber as I discovered during plying, which explains why it took less time. I think if they were evenly divided, they would have taken the exact same amount of time to spin. So, anyways, enjoy the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!